Oh, the joys of living in the woods. We just had a severe thunderstorm blow through here, and it has just made an absolute mess of everything. Looks like a bomb went off in my yard. But the biggest problem, yeah, I got a maple tree down across my driveway. I got an oak tree hung up on that. It's just an absolute mess. So I leave the sawmill and I come home and have to do more chainsaw work. I'm gonna have to cut myself out so I can get out of the driveway. It just seems like work never ends. Oh yeah, and we have no power. And they won't tell us when they think it's gonna be back on.